Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to export small file size in Premiere Pro in high quality. Once you're done with your video, go to the Export tab at the top left part of Premiere. And from here, you can change your file name, your location by clicking on this one. And for format, we are going to change it to H.265, so click on this one. And let's expand the video section. From here, just click on Match Source. Let's click on More right here and check render at maximum depth as well as use maximum render quality. Let's scroll down and find the bitrate section. And from here, for the bitrate encoding, we are going to set it to BBR1 pass. For the target bitrate, we are going to reduce it to around 10. And you can look at your file size and see that it has greatly reduced. For example, if we increase the bitrate, you can see that the file size will increase as well. So it is good to keep it at around 10 to reduce the file size. And for quality, we are going to change it to highest. And once you're done with all these settings, just click on export at the bottom right. And that is how you can basically export small file size in Premiere Pro in high quality. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.